Today's tour is all about fun and excitement and tasting. So I'm here at Ice Cream Museum in NYC and I'm going to be giving you a tour and I'm very excited for that. This is the first room you enter and you see all the walls have some gifts, soft toys, and paintings and magnets, etc. to buy. This is the first bar for the ice cream and for the alcoholic beverage, but we're going to come back to this later. First off, I'm going to show you other things and go to different rooms. But this time I'm going to be showing you the restroom. Oh yes, I had to do that. I'm so sorry because this was so cute and pink. Mind you, this whole building is really pink, so get ready to be all pink that day. Voila, I'm in the first room. This room consists of all the beautiful names written on the wall, and this is actually a suggestion, so you can pick a cute name for yourself that suits your personality as an ice cream or a dessert, so the employees can register you with that kind of name on that day. This room is actually the first tasting room where you can taste your first ice cream. It also has a bar which has alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. So come on and let's try our first ice cream. This ice cream is pineapple ice cream. You can get unlimited ice creams and unlimited tasting. So this is vanilla and this is pineapple. Now I'm going to show you this beautiful dining room. It's all full of desserts, but these are fake, not real, but they look so real, aren't they? And this is our second room for tasting of ice cream as well. So here I'm going to be collecting my second ice cream, which is a Dippin' Dot Oreo cookie. I'm going to enjoy this ice cream and enter the next room. So now you're going to go through this pathway and it leads you to this beautiful shiny pink hallway, and then you walk this hallway and you come to different doors. So the first door that we opened turns into this beautiful candy door. Second door is actually door into a door, and there goes the girl. We found the girl. All right, now this is the who is here. Knock the door. Again the candy and honey door. And now I'm going to be taking you in a very magical room. So this is beautiful glass room and beautiful lightings. This room is actually a beautiful train. So they have converted this and to give you experience of a train. Now we're going to be entering a beautiful room which is filled with hanging bananas. They have two sections of it, pink and yellow bananas. You can just go and dive into the bananas and enjoy them. Next up is the sprinkle room, and this room actually can be accessed by tiny toddlers. Alright, so now this room actually inspires you to make your statements on the wall with these magnetic alphabets. Alright, after this room, we come across another tasting room, and look at this amazing room. The decor is so beautiful. These ice cream seems like the wall has just been scooped up. Alright, so now I'm going to be going for my third tasting. I got Italian ice. They have given you another very beautiful seating area to enjoy your ice cream and also do some crafts and coloring and blocks with your kids. And this here is a wall that says lift me up and has one message for you under every single ice cream scoop. So I got more ice creams and now I'm heading to this beautiful multicolor light up hallway. It was such a fantastic time to walk through this hallway for some reason. Now we're also entering the next section, which is a slide section. The slide that I've shown you earlier, the pink slide, that's where you actually slide through this one in, and you come right through this into another beautiful mesmerizing room. Just imagine you sliding and then you come down this beautiful room. Here they have an art and craft table where you can actually make a cute ice cream truck for yourself. Second room that I've entered is a funny mirror where you can see yourself into these funny mirror. Spin Me is another section where you can spin this wheel. Then you enter another tasting of ice cream section. But first of all, I will show you what this room looks like. So this is an arcade and it is absolutely free. All the games are included in your ticket. I'm going to be grabbing my ice cream bagel. It is a cheese ice cream and bagel. It was so yummy. They are giving so much food and $40. Wow. And this room is all equipped with fun stuff for kids, swings and rides. And now this bucket full of balls, you can just easily get in there and jump in and enjoy. All right, now last but not the least, I'm going to be taking you in the sprinkle room. So this room has adult only pool in the sprinkle, and also they have the kids pool, so kids can enjoy here. Guys, I'm telling you that you must come to this place at least once in your lifetime if you're visiting or live in New York. Also, I can tell you that this is so worth it because you pay about $40, but you get a bagel, you get unlimited ice creams, and so much fun. So now I'm at the last section of the ice creams, where I have gone all out and got all the ice creams that they had in the section and enjoyed it. So I hope you liked the video. So please do like and subscribe to my channel.